Hi everyone, my name is Sean Douglas, and I want to welcome you to my course, Cisco Collaboration Fundamentals, Registering Endpoints and Implementing the Dial Plan. I'm a Cisco engineer instructor, CCNA and CCNP in collaboration, routing and switching, and DevNet. These days, companies are relying more and more on Cisco collaboration solutions to ensure that they can communicate with their customers, employees, and everyone else. There is immense demand for administrators who have the knowledge and skills needed to manage and maintain their Cisco deployments. In Cisco Collaboration Fundamentals, Registering Endpoints and Implementing the Dial Plan, which is the second course in a series that we're creating for you, we're going to help you acquire the skills and foundational knowledge needed to administer a Cisco collaboration solution. By the end of this course, you'll understand the various ways to deploy Cisco Collaboration Endpoints to Cisco Unified Communications Manager. We're going to show you how to configure H.323 and SIP trunks, PSTN gateways, and utilize route lists and route groups. You'll understand where to implement digit manipulation for incoming and outgoing calls, and also how to use partitions and calling search spaces to create predictable call permissions. I hope you'll join us through this journey to help you obtain highly marketable skills in the Cisco Collaboration Fundamentals, Registering Endpoints and Implementing the Dial Plan course at Pluralsight.